Today we're going to do a black metallic, silver base, and red striade sample piece. I am going to start out with the black, and we'll just make straight lines across the piece. And then we'll do the silver. And then we'll do the red. And now all we're going to do is blend these together. We're going to not mix them, over mix them. We want them to stay their own colors. We don't want to mix them enough to where they're going to change and blend and be one solid color. We want them to keep their own color. So we're just going to go back and forth. Try to cover the whole piece. Without mixing them. Blending, but not mixing. Get my edges here. Some red on this edge if I can get it. There we go. Alright, that is all the mixing we're going to do on this piece. And we're just going to make sure I got everything covered. Don't want any dry spots. That is it. We are going to watch this one dry for a little bit, and we're going to then incorporate some heat so we can get some more cells going. Actually, I might start the heat now. Let's do the torch first. There's a few cells starting here, a couple there. I think I'm going to get the heat gun on this. Alright, we're going to heat some of this up and see if we can get some more cells going. I think I'm going to spray some alcohol on this. Alright, let's spray some alcohol on it, see what it does. Ooh, that's so cool. I wasn't planning on doing the whole thing, but I did. Just love that effect. You see all them cells? Camera pick them up?
Yeah.
Yeah, I love them cells. Alright, we're going to let this dry a little bit and then we'll take the heat to it. So that way we can get the bubbles out. I can't do the heat too soon after putting the alcohol on it because, as we all know, alcohol is flammable. Probably shouldn't touch these this early, should let it do its thing, but I know I'm not wanting them to stay. Think that's long enough? That one went before I touched it. Dry spot right there. Another one right there. Alright. I think this one's looking pretty cool. Get these edges a little bit better. Torch this one more time. This is Dave Warner from Warner Epoxy. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to help me out, get me up a little higher on the queue, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.